How to add another account on Facebook Messenger. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can use multiple accounts on Facebook Messenger app. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook Messenger app. And once you do so, you should be logged into your main account. And from here, you just have to tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon. From here to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just have to scroll down until you see the switch account option. So just tap on it. And once you do that, if there are any other accounts that are already logged in, you will see the list of your accounts right here. But if you don't have any, like mine, you will have an option to add account. So just tap on add account. And once you do that, you will just have to provide your email address. And then once you enter your email address, all you need to do is enter your password. And once you enter your correct password, you just have to tap on login and you should be logged into your account. And what that will do is it will list out all of the logged in accounts right here and you can switch back and forth seamlessly. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.